All right, once again, before you do the next maneuver backing in, you're allowed to get the truck positioned with the outer boundary and also with the lane that's going to down here that you're going to back into. What you want to do is get yourself positioned where you're straight line, parallel with the box, and you bring yourself right up along this yellow dotted line that you had to clear with the right rear tire. So he's going to bring the truck forward straight, get himself positioned to where he's ready to go back in for the backing maneuver, and then that is where you would receive the instructions for the next part of your maneuver. So what he's going to do is bring the truck up and keep the right side of the truck right along that small yellow dashed line. Okay. All right, driver. Now what you're going to do is you're going to back your truck back into the lane that you just came out of. You get 2 get out and looks. You get 2 free pull-ups. All right. When you get back into the lane, you need to bring the rear of the trailer within the 3-foot zone. Once you've reached there, you can set your brakes, go to neutral, and then honk your horn. It was important to recognize that Brian got out of the truck and did his 2 get out and looks to make sure and verify the fact that the trailer was, first off, in the box at the rear. He also wanted to make sure that he looked down both sides of the vehicle to make sure that the truck and trailer were completely within the lines. Now, it's important to remember that anytime that you're in this zone, you have to make sure that the truck and trailer stay within the lines or within the boundaries. Anytime that it comes past the cone or past the line, that is an encroachment. So if you see yourself starting to get into encroachment, the important thing is to go ahead and pull the truck forward, get yourself away from that encroachment, and then continue on to back the truck straight. And if you look down the entire length of the truck is in here perfectly straight. It's within the box. It's not over any of the boundaries. Perfect test.